This video is going to provide you the solution for the exercise you did on finding GIS data that's relevant for your municipality. You were asked to download about 7 different data layers so that you could add it to your GIS folder. The first thing that you were asked to do was to set up a folder on your computer for the data. I'm going to set mine up on my Google Drive. I'm going to right click, go to New, and then go to Folder and call it GIS_data. And this is where I'm going to save all the data that we are going to download from PASDA. Now that the folder is set up, we can start downloading the data. The first one that you were asked to download were watersheds. You were also asked to download national wetlands inventory data, county, municipality, and school district boundaries, and network streams of Pennsylvania. And you can do this in a couple of different ways. You can search by keyword to get the data that you want, or you can use the data shortcuts that are over here. For the 3 data layers that we need for boundaries, I'm going to click on the shortcut, and I'm going to download what I need from here. And one of them is county boundaries, so I'm going to select that, click download. You're going to notice that it downloads here in the corner, and I'm using Google Chrome. Whenever you download data from a Chrome or Firefox, the data will go to your downloads folder on your C drive. So I have that data, so I'm going to hit the back button. And we also need municipality boundaries. We also need school district boundaries. And I noticed when I was in here that the first data layer that you're being asked, Pennsylvania small watersheds, is also in here. So I'm going to click that and download. And I'm just going to see if there's anything else here that I need from the list that we have, and it doesn't look like there is. So I'm going to go back, and we still need national wetlands inventory, stormwater 167, and the network streams. So for the network streams, I'm going to click on the hydrology, thinking that it might be there, and I'm going to scroll. And here we have the network streams of Pennsylvania. I'm going to hit download. I'm going to go back here, and I'm thinking that the stormwater 167 might also be on here. And what you can do that sometimes can be helpful is hit Control F for find, and then you may be able to find what you're looking for. And unfortunately that didn't help me, so I'm going to go and find it a different way. I'm going to switch by keyword. And here we have the stormwater 167, and we download it. So the last one that we need is the national wetlands inventory data. So I'm going to type that in here. And you can see that it has it for the states around Pennsylvania, including Pennsylvania. And you can download them using this link, or you can just download the polygons. I'm just going to download using this link. And so all the data is either finished downloading or is nearing completion of downloading. So the next place that I would go visit is my downloads folder. In here, when we go open this up, we're going to see the data layers that we just downloaded appear in here, and it takes a second for this to load. There we go. So you can see that we have all our data. So I'm just going to right click, select it all, and then do a copy, and then I'm going to paste it to that folder that I set up on Google Drive. And from here, we have to extract it, so you then would right click on it, click extract all, and you want to put it into your GIS data folder, so get rid of that. It would just create a folder called that, which we don't want, so I always get rid of all that after the folder that I wanted in, hit extract, and you can see that it extracts the data to the folder. And I'm going to just do this for all of them. Just right click, extract all. And so now that we have our data extracted, you can open an ArcMap, and I'm going to just select a new project. And we can click our Add Data button, and we can navigate to the folder where this is stored. And we see our data, and we can just add it. We can add one or all of them. So that is how you would find and download the data that you needed for this particular exercise. From here, what you can do is now use these data layers to do various types of analysis or create various types of maps. In upcoming exercises and modules, you're going to learn how we can clip this statewide data to the boundary of a specific county or township.